Hi guys, I'm Emma from KF Factory, one of the best factory in Vietnam. Today I'm here to discuss with you what we should do in this high rate period. As you know, the world is going through the economic squeeze. Many currency is losing its value. I can tell that Naira, Cedis, CFA, etc. is losing the value very fast. As the hair vendor, I can deeply understand the bad effect is giving our business. As you know, the rate is going higher, you will have to increase the price you sell to the buyer. So as a of course result, the buyer will buy less. I have done a research, and you know what? The Naira rate from the beginning of January to the middle of January has increased 100 units. I know that's shocking, right? That's why I'm here to discuss with you the way to survive in this high rate period. Should we temporarily stop selling? As you know, the rate has going up and down like a roller coaster, not sized yesterday, it's sized last year. So stop selling is not the best thing you should do. I know some of my customers, they choose to stop selling when the rate gets too high, they come back when the rate gets lower. It's a fine thing to do, but you know that the demand for hair is not low, it's very high. So if you stop selling, the customer will come to another vendor to buy. It's not a good thing, right? On the other hand, if you don't have any other job besides selling hair, you will have no income. Should we wait for the rate to get down and then pay? Well, even agents, they don't know when the rate will get up or get down. I know some of your customers, they don't mind waiting, so you can wait for the rate to get down and then pay for the hair. But that is such an unsure thing. You can do that if you can deal with your customer, you can tell them to send you the deposit and then you can wait for the rate to get down and then pay for the hair. So what are the best things to do? Firstly, you would want to get an overview about the market. To do that, you should be friends with some agents who receive the payment. I know there are some agents that will post their rate on their status every day on WhatsApp. So I think you should be friends with them to get update on the rate, so you can know when the rate is going up or when the rate is going down, and then you will know the perfect time to pay for the hair. Secondly, don't pay fully for the order unless you know that you are getting the very low rate, or you know that rate will only go up in a short time. You know that the rate go up and down. It might go very high today, but then it drop down tomorrow. So you don't pay all at once. You only deposit for the hair, to put the hair on process, and then you keep update on the rate. When the rate get down, you pay for the rest. I know that this way might sound risky because sometimes rate only go up, and you might need to pay for the rate at the high rate before it going for too high. But if you keep update on the rate very often, you will have a sense that you will know that the rate you are paying is very high or very low at the moment. So you know that if you should pay all at once or you should just deposit for the hair. It's up on you. Keep update on the rate. Finally, don't be hesitate to ask the vendor about the rate. They are selling hair, dealing and receiving payment every day. So they know that the rate is going down or getting up. Don't be hesitate to ask them. They will give you more information. Besides, I know that many vendors will give customer promotion when the rate is too high, which is to support the customers. So get in touch with them to buy hair when the promotion happens will also be a good way. So there was some suggestion for my opinion about what sellers should do in this high rate period. I hope my information help you in your business. I'm Emma from KF Factory. Stay tuned to keep more updates with us. Thank you and see you in the next video.